Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This is Engineer Masood Kiani, and today we have the technical session 129. Our subject is light pole, traffic light pole. So we will discuss about the material and the physical properties and whatsoever its features of this material. And before going ahead, I would like to request you to subscribe the video and press the bell icon in order to reach the video next video with the easy access. So the light pole material is a major material for the roads also in order to provide the lighting and the traffic controls during 24 hours, even in the day or the nights also. It should be a unique roles. So this is the material is it can be the stainless steel material, it can be the mild steel, it can be the aluminum material, whatsoever it is. But if it is mild steel only or the carbon steel, we can make the galvanization for this one hard deep galvanized. But if the other stainless steel and whatever it is, the resources available and discover the prices, we can select this one with the technical study of yeah, this material. Let us go to the subject. The main roads will provide the roadway and the pathway lighting on the urban freeways, highlights and its controls roads with the high traffic volume and the principal shared paths for the user to travel the safety at night. There will be provided in accordance with the requirements of these guidelines. Uh, so this provision also the purpose of the lights is on the design oriented to provide the design documents and the lighting of the roads and the public spaces where the lighting is being maintained and the by the main roads also. So on the other side there is the lux calculation and the electrical side there is complete components and this complete fittings and accessories are there, but we will discuss about only the um, uh, traffic poles heights and the materials and whatsoever it is sizes according to the design guidelines. We will discuss about that one also. Uh, the reference is in addition to comply with the technical requirements as outlined herein and the requirements or the regulations by the public lighting policy and also the urban design uh, variants. Uh, this is also studied once the design is finalized and also uh, it's become in a real shape and ready to install at the site. So the survey backgrounds shall be obtained and the required data concerning the existing and the future services of the site and such information data shall be formatted and stored in compliance with the main rules survey mapping requirements and the uh, contracts survey departments and with the supervision of the engineering representative and etc. So site construction also is an environmental heritage and the other obstruction and also the consists of a components of a proper lighting design shall be identified and it should be approved by the certified bodies. So services location where the location and the above ground services are obstacle in necessary to in the vicinity to propose the lighting schemes and appropriate quotations and shall be obtained considering development and the design orientation and it should be switched according to the working drawings or the documents. So the pre-condition survey and the post-condition survey also and the contour survey whatsoever it is, this is a part of the contract and the according to the schedule and the periodic programs for the surveying. It should be completed prior to the installation of the lighting poles. So the lighting poles, are either it is on the airports or the highways or the sector roads or the traffic for the parking areas, it's can be designed and according to the design lights and the history of the materials, the heights and all the sizes and the diameters and whatsoever the electrical accessories, it should be fabricated according to the approved working drawings. So special requirement generally location requiring the special consideration to use the non-standard equipments or arrangement shall be identified in a design report. It should not be used the substandard or the non-standard materials for the lighting poles or in the highways or wherever it is. It necessary approval and the technical study should be made as per the client requirements and the local building codes or the highway building codes or whatsoever it is. So category of lighting, this is another subject, and the uh, design spacing also, it is computerized calculation software and as referred to the AS oblique NZS 1158 are a series of the standard of lighting of the roads or according to the ASTO and whatsoever it is the computerized calculation shall be confirmed by the relevant standard and the highway codes. So electrical design also installed when the comply with a regulation and also mm, lux calculation and the testing and commissioning. This is the part of the material also. The physical properties of the light pole bodies, it is either stainless steel or the mild steel or the galvanized steel or it is the aluminum. It should be studied like the tensile strength, elongation strength, actions. If it is aluminum extruded, also history and also um, bending strength and chemical composition. It should be according to the technical data sheet of the each materials, which one is selected. It should be comply with the local buildings codes and the highway codes, whatsoever it is. So the third party testing and the frequency of test and the material availability at site should be checked prior to the installation in order to confirm the technical study of this technical data material which is supplied at site we comply with the approved submittal or not. So this is just some general procedure and uh, mostly the polls also it's confirmed the load calculation also which is the design base on the structural base also it's confirmed and installation for the footings and all of these accessories and whatsoever the requirement, it should be confirmed prior to the installation. So this is the light pole material in the traffics or the highways or the sector roads or airfield and wherever it is. This is also a new challenges for the highway designing and application and the implements of the new technologies wherever it is required and definitely it will cover the deficiencies of the previous appraisal and the approvals uh, also. So this was the briefing about the light pole uh, technology and the light pole testing uh, for the highway traffic and the other areas we discussed. In next video, we will see each other with another subject. Uh, And thank you very much and have a nice day.